Hello my beautiful friends and welcome back to another weekly vlog. Today it's Monday. I just arrived at my parents' house to have dinner like I do every single Monday night. But I meant to start this vlog way earlier. I brought my camera to work to start this vlog this morning, and when I got to work and tried to turn it on, there was no memory card in it, so I did a really good job there. But it's another probably pretty crazy week in my life, and when I say crazy I just mean I have a lot of stuff to do. I've been watching a few of my friends' vlogs lately, like Connor and Ella and stuff, and a lot of them have been saying the same thing as what I've been feeling. They're just kind of saying they're a bit overwhelmed at the moment. There's kind of a lot going on. Nearing the end of the year, there's things like Black Friday and Christmas and New Year's, and a lot of businesses and brands love to collab around those times for multiple different reasons. So it is just a crazy time, and so I feel like my emails are full. I have so many videos and collabs and awesome stuff coming, but it's just a lot of work, especially when I'm at work Monday to Friday already. But I love my job, I love what I do, I really can't complain. I'm really wanting to try and have a good mindset this week and just be really grateful for everything, really excited for everything, really motivated for everything, because I was just thinking about it the other day and I was like, literally the only person who is in charge of my mindset is me. And if I'm not having a good day, or if I'm not being positive or thankful or appreciative of my life, I have no one to blame but myself. So I'm gonna focus on that a bit this week. If you guys saw my last vlog, I started a new vision board, and honestly that has got me so motivated to reach some of my goals. But yeah, maybe I'll talk more about that at another point in time. I'm gonna go have some dinner with my family. Hello friends, it's 3:20. I just finished work for the day. It's Tuesday now and I'm gonna head home. I'm pretty tired. It was a long day. Tuesdays are my day in SCP and they always feel just a little bit, well I actually do work a longer day on those days, but they just feel a little bit too long. That's right, we're done with another day and I am ready to go home and get a bunch of YouTube stuff done. Let's go. Good morning friends, today it is Wednesday, halfway through the week. I've just been on my computer getting some work done before I have to head to work. But the plan is to go to work today and then afterwards go to my PO box and pick up a package, come home, finish editing a vlog that I have to edit, do some wedding planning. I think that's kind of it. So let's get this day started. This is my outfit for today. I'm just wearing this maxi dress from Universal. I've had it for a long time, so I'm not sure if you can still purchase it, but very comfy, very easy. I know some schools don't let you wear spaghetti straps, but we don't have a dress code and I see other teachers wearing spaghetti straps, so I'm like, I may as well go with it. It's gonna be a hot one today, I think about 28 degrees. So hopefully this will be a good outfit choice. Oh. I made muffins. I needed some introvert time, so I put on a movie while I baked some muffins and cooked some dinner, and I'm feeling a lot better. Banana choc chip, always and forever. Chef's kiss. Good morning friends, happy Thursday. 2 more days till the weekend. Feeling good. Honestly, this week has gone really fast, which is really nice, and I'm really looking forward to the weekend, as per usual. However, today, do you guys want to see my really cute outfit? Which is not cute at all. Black t-shirt, black shorts, Vans. There are some days that I have at work where I just know that I need to be dressed practically, and if that means that I have to sacrifice the cuteness, then you just gotta. You just gotta. This sounds so stupid, but part of my job is often to like play handball with kids who have like earned reward time, which I am not complaining about. I literally get to spend like 20 minutes a day playing handball and it is really fun. I feel like I've improved. Anyway, but wearing a dress or like slides while playing handball, it's not a vibe. It's just not gonna work. So I've decided that I am gonna become a shorts wearer. These ones are just from Kmart. They're actually very comfortable, very practical. Like I said, not as cute, but like not mad about it. I've actually finished all of my YouTube work that I needed to get done this week. Like all my videos for this week are now complete. And to be honest, I haven't got a lot of time today to do YouTube work. but if I do have time, I may start editing my videos for next week. Today after work, I'm going straight to an appointment, which is actually really exciting. It's something wedding related, so I'm going to film it for my wedding planning series, so you guys will see it in a later video. But after that, I'll come straight home, and then I'm going to see Liam tonight later on at like 7. So it's kind of the plan for today. I think tomorrow afternoon after work, I'm going to take myself on a little bit of a date. I just have a few things that I've been wanting to do, so I might do that after work tomorrow, because I don't think I have any plans tomorrow night. And this weekend I don't have a lot of plans either, but I do have a lot of stuff I need to get done. So I think it's going to be less of a fun weekend and more of a get stuff done weekend, but that's okay. Gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. But anyway, I am going to go to work, have a great day, play some handball potentially, and I will talk to you guys later. It's officially the weekend. It's Friday afternoon. I finished work for the day. I'm feeling so good. I decided that I would take myself on a little bit of a date because I don't really have any plans this afternoon. I have just really needed some introvert time this week. I don't know why, but I just really wanted to have some alone time, and I am going to continue that this afternoon. I drove to this random, I don't even know what you would call it, river, lake, large pond, I'm unsure. But I drove here and I brought my book, and I'm gonna find a nice spot to sit and just chill here as long as I feel like chilling here for. I've chosen a spot. I've got my picnic rug, my bag of books and journals, a jumper in case I get cold, some water, a snack, and I am just gonna sit here and enjoy the quiet and the nothingness and the stillness. I've been here like 5 minutes and my heart already feels so full. Good morning friends, it is now Saturday and I have had a really awesome morning. I slept in till about 6:30, which was really nice. Got up, had a bit of a chill one, got ready, just filmed a haul, which is great, and now I'm going shopping with my mum. So she wants to get some stuff and I'm just kind of going to hang out with her, have a bit of a mama-daughter morning, so that'll be fun. I'm looking forward to it. Here is my outfit of the day. We have a plain white tee from, I think it's from Supre, and I've just tied it up in a little knot, and then we have this really cute Shopo skirt that I've had for like maybe 4 years and somehow it just continues to stay in the wardrobe. I honestly haven't worn it in ages, but I think it's really cute. And then just some famous footwear slides. So let's go shopping. I just got home and I have the most random assortment of things to haul for you guys. Went to a bunch of different stores, getting a lot of random things, but I guess I'll show you. It might be somewhat interesting. I had to get some of these big bags just to store things basically. I also got sucked into buying one of these. I've been wanting to try this for so long and this one was really inexpensive. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna buy it. Do I have time to do this? Absolutely not. Maybe I'll just save it for another time. I don't know. A mini lint roller to keep in my car. A cutting board, but this is for like art cutting for my scrapbooking and stuff, just to protect my desk. We have some wire. This is for a DIY I want to try. Don't know if it's going to turn out well, but I'm going to try it. Some of this to go in some gift wrapping stuff that I need to do. I told you this haul is so random. I also got a paintbrush and some wood stain because I'm going to stain some wood for a wedding DIY that I'm doing. I'm making some signs, so I'm going to try that. I also then went thrifting and I got all of this stuff. So first of all, I got 2 books. These were $1 each. And I'm so excited. This one just looked interesting. I think it's just kind of like a fun romance. And this one, I've heard so much about. I know so many people love this. But when I read the synopsis of it, I was like, that does not sound interesting at all. But my friend Gemma, who reads a lot, was like, no, you have to read it. I was actually in Big W and I saw it and I was like, oh, do I get it? Do I not? But I didn't get it. And then I found it at the thrift store for $1 and I'm so happy about it. So that was really good find. And then I got all of this glassware. This is all for wedding related things. On our tables, we have long tables and we're going to have little tea light candles and probably some bigger pillar candles as well. But at my local thrift store, they sell these little glass things for like 20 cents each. So these I'm just going to slowly collect over a few months and I'm going to spread these out over the table. But yeah, 20 cents each. I feel like that's amazing. And I kind of love that they're all mismatched. Some of them come in little packs, like I think this was $1 for these two, and I think this one was 50 cents for just some plain ones. But I thought the tea lights would look so cute in a bunch of mismatched things, and some of them will have really awesome like shadows that come off it or like flicker really cool because of the different textures on the glass. And these ones, I've actually been looking at my local thrift store for ages trying to find some glasses like these, because at my hens I want to have a little cocktail night and make some fun cocktails, and I thought it would be really fun to have the cute glasses. So I got these, a pack of 4 for $3, which is incredible, and all of this stuff all together including the books cost me $8.50, so winner. It is so hot here today, but I'm gonna make myself some lunch because it's 1:30 and I haven't eaten since like, I don't even know, 7 o'clock this morning. So yeah, I'm gonna make myself some lunch. I'm gonna actually take off my makeup because I'm gonna go to my parents' house and get a bunch of like stuff done. I'm gonna look through a lot of childhood stuff that I still have there, get rid of stuff that I don't need, kind of like reorganize it so it looks a lot neater. But I do not need makeup or a cute outfit for that, so we are going to really just like look ugly for a bit. Going for a walk, just ate some dims. What is it? Tell me, Mr.
Treatment.
Engineer. Waste treatment.
Oh, water treatment, what?
Water treatment. Oh yeah, clean treated water. That does not look clean. How does it look to you, engineer?
Okay.
So apparently I didn't vlog anything else on Sunday. That was it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this weekly vlog. I really enjoyed filming it. I had a bit of a more quiet week, but it was really nice. So I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Goodbye.